I want you to do some quick mental math with me. Add up everything you spent on your writing over the years: craft books, online courses, conferences, workshops, maybe a developmental editor. What's the number? Is it 2,000, 10,000, 20,000? Here's what I know about most writers I talk to who are coming to StoryGrid. They've already invested heavily in their writing, but not just money. They've invested time, often years of it, lots of energy. They've invested time away from their family working on this craft. One writer told us she's been doing this for 40 years. She's even put 2 books up on Amazon, and yet she still feels stuck. Another had spent $8,000 on a Stanford course, and still she's not able to write and publish a novel that she's proud of. I've talked to dozens of people that have their MFA in creative writing, and yet they still weren't taught how to write a book they can publish. Another said she'd gone through fantasy courses, romance courses, thriller, crime, ghost stories, all different types of courses, and still feels like the writing isn't where it needs to be. Now, on one hand, none of that was wasted. Every course, every book, every hour of learning the theory puts it in your head and builds a foundational knowledge of structure. But here's the question: if you keep doing what you've been doing that hasn't been working, where do you think you're going to be next year or 5 years from now? So, when I talk to writers and I hear, I can't justify spending money on another writing program, I actually get that. You've already spent money before and it didn't get you where you wanted to go. So why would this time be any different? But think about it this way: the money you spent before built the foundation. You now understand story structure, character development, genre conventions, at least conceptually. You're not starting from zero. What's been missing from every one of those investments is the thing that actually turns knowledge into skill: the ability to put it on the page. You need someone reading your writing, diagnosing the specific issue, and then coaching you through fixing them. That's the piece you've never had. So the question isn't, should I invest in my writing? You've already answered that question with your wallet and your time many times over. The question is, am I going to keep investing in approaches that just give me more information? Or am I going to try the one thing I haven't tried yet: real, personalized feedback from an expert editor on my actual writing? So I want to flip this around. What does it cost you to not get this handled? Another year of rewriting chapter 1, another year of your novel just sitting there unfinished, another year of that voice in the back of your head saying, I should be further along by now. One writer told us her goal has been to finish it this year for 4 years in a row. Same goal, 4 years running. That's not a motivation problem, that's a missing piece problem. So everything you've done up to this point has prepared you for this. You have the knowledge, you have the story, and you have the drive. You've proven that by showing up here. What you need now is a systematic way to take all of that knowledge and turn it into skill by actually getting one-on-one feedback on your writing from an expert editor mentor.